Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be upgrading my old sticky suction cup phone mount with a RAM mount gear rail. And I'm going to do the same thing for the Cobb access port as well. So we're going to be going from this okay sticky suction cup phone mount. It falls off a lot. So I'm going to go from that to that. And this will be screwed in place and it won't go anywhere. What I have here is an 8-inch gear rail and a 3-inch gear rail. Now I'm using the 8-inch one on the top of the dash to hold my phone and any other accessories that I may want to secure to the dash, like a mount for the GoPro I'm currently wearing. And then for the access port, I'm only going to have the access port up in that upper left corner of the dash. So having this small little gear rail is going to be just fine. And then to go with it, I have these trackball mounts. They've just got a little T-nut thing, a little rubber foot into the ball mount. And then this is the short arm extension. And then this is a 1-inch adapter to the like universal standard car accessory ball adapter. This phone mount was one of the very first modifications I made to Ruby. This has been in there since like 2016, so it's time for an upgrade. So I want that right there. All I've got here are just 3 like wood screws, sheet metal screws. They'll go into plastic just fine. I'm gonna start with 3, so the 2 on the ends and then 1 in the middle. Looks cool from the outside. There it goes. Okay, step 1 done. All right, the first test fit. Oh yeah. Get all this out of there. Okay. All right, there we go. Now I'm going to do the same thing over to the access port. It's just the exact same thing what I just did, so I'm not going to bother showing you. But there we go. That is my phone now mounted to a RAM mount on a gear rail. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.